morning, Vietnam. It's day 3 and ngayon tayo ay magko-coffee muna. We have few spots no as our agenda. Pero yun nga, we came up lang kagabi. Yeah, so samahan nyo kami. I'm feeling a bit better. The sunlight definitely helped yesterday. So papaaraw tayo ulit today no. And it's around 9 AM. Kaya yan, gala tayo. So tinan nyo, after minutes of walking, andito na tayo sa cafe. This one, Cafe 30A. So yan yung itatry natin. And tapat no cafe na yun is yung parang park, one of their parks. Ito. And katabi naman no cafe is yung parang, hindi ko alam yung name pero may entrance dito, papasok kami after. Ang daming tao dito sa park nila. I think these are students. Some look like parang mga teens pa, no? So I think they're just chilling and having a good time here. Yeah, good. Ang gandang park to. So di kayo maubusan dito ng pagpipili ang mga coffee shop, no? Like this one, dito kami pupunta. It has really strong parang design influence from West. Yeah, let's see. Here's a quick 360 of the place. I think we ordered too much. Hindi may, ayun na ata yun eh.
Hindi, may milk free.
So, a very quick review of this place. Medyo overpriced siya, tsaka hindi ganun kasarap yung mga ina-offer nila. Well, based sa mga in-order namin. So, hindi ganun kasarap yung mga nabili namin. So, yeah. Wouldn't
Charge
recommend.
to experience. Charge to
medyo mahal siya.
Yes.
Independence Palace. We bought tickets para makapasok dito. So, but we don't really know the place.
Ito siya, diba? I know, not this one. Independence Palace.
Independence Palace, yun. Ayan guys. Welcome to Baguio.
Welcome to the mansion.
We didn't really research this place, no? Pero I think it's significant to their independence as a country. So, meron ditong mga exhibition, parang display dun sa mismong palace, no? They have some tanks here. Some parang mga jet planes or fighter planes nila. Oh yeah, this is the... I'm not sure if this is the actual palace or the mansion. By the way, they also have audio tours. May additional lang na bayan. We paid around 65,000 Vietnamese dong. So, ito, parang table for their luncheon. And state banquets. Pag-field trip dito. Not this cave. Ayan, conference hall naman daw siya. Receptions for as many as 500 guests are held in this room. Yan, so andito na po tayo sa 14. One of the mga referrals na nakita namin sa TikTok. So let's try. Here's a quick 360 of this place. One kumquat and one lime. Thank you. Yeah, so we saw this at TikTok and there's a lot of parang good comments about the pho. So we'll try. Very humble place lang siya. Tapos sa pho you can choose between kung ilalagay nyo brisket, flank, beef balls, or tendon. Tignan nyo guys. Parang hearty siya. Very hearty yung itsura niya. But let's see. Tignan natin. this. Solid yan. Tara. Guys, kung manadayo kayo, puntahan yun. Huwag niyo i-miss yun. Sobrang sarap. Best fa so far na nakain ko sa buhay ko. Now we're walking dito along that street nung kinainan namin. And there's really tall trees here. Ayan, kung makapansin nyo, same taas ng mga buildings. So, andito na tayo ngayon sa may Ho Chi Minh Book Street. Yan. So, from its name, madami dito food. Food. Tsaka books. So, let's see. Yung vibe naman dito is parang eskolta. Kung nakapunta kayo sa eskolta, merong mga parang mga bazaar or parang mga stalls ng mga arts and crafts. So, this is giving me eskolta din, no? Nasa end na tayo ng Book Street, no? At ito nga, sabi ko parang eskolta, no? Pero dito naman parang may Binondo Church. That's the end for our Book Street trip. Good evening, everyone. Tayo ay nagbabalik. Natulog lang, nagpahinga. At ngayon maghanap tayo ng dinner, guys. So, we have nothing in mind. We're just walking aimlessly. Maghahanap tayo ng tingin natin masarap kainin. So, sa paglalakad namin, is napunta kami sa parang busy streets. Part ng Ho Chi Minh, no? Marami dito mga restaurants, mga hotels, mga spas. So, ito.
It's near Bentan Market.
Ayun, near daw siya sa Bentan Market. So, hanap lang kami ng kakainan dito. Ito yung napili namin, Bep Minh Inn. Papasok lang kayo sa parang eskinita, tapos parang merong group of parang resorts dito na may under din ni Bep Minh Inn, no? Pata siya, guys, pata. So we're back dito sa Benge Street Food. Since wala na tayo makita mga bukas na coffee shops, we'll just settle for juice or tea. So ito lang yung alam namin bukas pa, kaya order tayo dito. So yun, that's a quick buy lang ng juice. Ayan siya, nagbe-picture siya. So this one is lychee. Tapos ito, longgan. Tignan nyo. Ayan, masarap yung papakin. Sabihin ko daw sa inyo, pag pumunta kayo dito, i-try nyo. Worth it na.
Pag ilang inom po na.
Ayan, so day 3 thoughts, no? Ayun nga, umulan, no? Napansin nga namin na walang amoy pusali, walang amoy panghe. Again, relative to the Philippines, no? Mas malinis to kahit paano, no? Also, napansin namin na kahit sobrang dilim ng mga dadaanan, parang safe or kampante kami maglakad. Kasi I think I've heard or I've read somewhere na severe yung punishments nila dito. So, they enforce the law here. It doesn't mean na dapat carelessly ka lang maglakad, no? Na mag-isa, pag madilim. But so far, yung na-experience namin, parang sobrang safe naman. Now, na third day na namin dito sa Ho Chi Minh, I think naubusan na kami ng gagawin. Ho Chi Minh as a city is parang wala naman masyadong attractions per se, no? Na dadayuin nyo talaga. As in, you'll have fun and parang amusement like mga Disneyland or anything, no? It's a really humble country and more of mga historical and cultural sites yung mapupuntahan dito. So, if you plan to book here or stay here, siguro mga 2 to 3 days is enough. Mas lipat kayo siguro ng ibang city like Hanoi, mga ganun.
Yung the last time na pumunta ako dito sa Vietnam, yung itinerary namin is Da Nang, Hoi An, and Hanoi. So, nasulit talaga namin yun kasi ang dami mapupuntahan. So, ayun. So, siguro if ever nababalik kami here for the food. Daming
For the
masasarap
food.
na food
Masarap yung
talaga.
food dito, guys. We had the best pho. In our opinion, of course, na natikman namin. Life is good after that wonderful fun, no? At I think it is okay to end the vlog here. Medyo short compared to the other ones kasi nagpahinga lang talaga kami and we just cross some things sa mga bucket list namin for Ho Chi Minh. And yeah, I think we're good. So, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.